Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Master. So this lecture, it is nothing but a continuation of the linear inequations, second lecture of the linear inequations. In this we are going to learn about what is exactly replacement set and the solution set. What is the difference between them? What is replacement set and what is solution set? Okay, so for that we'll consider one example. Let the given inequation be x less than 3. If now we'll consider first the replacement set is n, that is a set of natural numbers. Okay, if the replacement set is n, that is the set of natural number, then for this condition x less than 3, the solution set will be 1, 2. Okay, so this is nothing but what you are finding. You are finding the solution set of this linear inequation, okay, in which they are telling that this x is nothing but a set of natural numbers. Natural numbers, they starts from 1 to infinity. Okay, as they are telling that x belongs to n, so it is nothing but x belongs to n, that is x, it is nothing but a set of natural numbers. The values of x are selected from the set of natural numbers, then the set of natural number is nothing but called as a replacement set. In that set of natural numbers, if x is less than 3, means the values of x are nothing but 1 and 2. Why? Because 1 and 2 only less than 3. They satisfy this equation. So that's why the solution set is 1, 2. Okay. Now, if the replacement set is W, that is the set of whole numbers, means here they are telling that here x belongs to W, means x belongs to whole numbers. Then whole number set is called as a replacement set. So from that whole number set, if this condition should be satisfied, then values of x are 0, 1, 2, because the whole numbers, they starts from 0 to infinity. Okay, so that's why the solution set will be 0, 1 and 2. Now, if I consider the third case, that if the replacement set is z or I, that is the set of integers. Set of integers, it is represented by either z or I, and we know that the integer numbers, they vary from minus infinity to plus infinity. So that's why that minus infinity to plus infinity, that set is nothing but the replacement set. But from that, satisfying this condition, which are the values that satisfy this condition? X less than 3, means it starts from minus infinity up to 2. Okay, so it is from minus infinity to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, but not 3. Why? Because x is less than 3. Okay, so that is nothing but the solution set. So with, I think all of you understood that what is exactly replacement set and what is solution set. Replacement set is nothing but a set from which we are going to select the values, those are satisfying the given equation, and those selected values are nothing but a solution set. Okay, now if the replacement set is R, now the set of real numbers, then how to represent the solution set? Then the solution set, it will be represented in set builder form, because the real numbers, they vary from minus infinity to plus infinity, but each and every value between the numbers also, each and every fraction can be also considered in the real number set. Okay, so that's why it is, we can say it is a continuous, not discrete. This is a discrete, minus 2, after minus 2 then minus 1 will be there. In between these values, it will not be there in integers, but in real numbers, all the values, each and every value between minus 2 and minus 1, between 0 and 1, between 1 and 2, all the values are there. So it is nothing but in continuous form. So that's why it is represented in set builder form. So it is solution set of the solution set of this linear inequation having the replacement set of real numbers. It is represented as a x colon x belongs to R, that is a real number, and x less than 3. The condition is x less than. These are values of x which belongs to a real number and this x should be less than 3, then all values are nothing, but they are coming in a solution set for the real number. So solution set of real number, it should be represented like this. Okay, now we'll consider one example. So we'll find out the solution set. Okay, we'll solve the example. Question 1, if the replacement set is the set of natural numbers, replacement set is a set of natural numbers, means what, x belongs to natural number. We know that the natural numbers, they start from 1 to infinity. Okay, natural numbers start from 1 to infinity. Then find the solution set of 3x plus 4 less than 16. So we'll consider this first example. So it is 3x plus 4 less than 16. So how to solve it? We have to solve for x. Okay, so therefore this 4, if I'll now shift on this side, so the 3x, it is less than 16 minus 4. Therefore 3x is less than 12. 16 minus 4, 12. Therefore x is less than 12 upon 3. Why? Because here it is multiplied. 3 into x. So it is multiplied. No? So when I'll shift on that side, so it will get divided by 3. So therefore x should be less than 4. Okay. So x should be less than 4 and x belongs to natural number. So that's why what is the solution set? So the solution set will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the answer. That is, this is the solution set of this inequality or linear inequation. Okay, now the second example, it is nothing but what, 8 minus x. So second example I will consider. So it is 8 minus x should be less than or equal to 4x minus 2. We have to solve this and x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. Replacement set is a set of natural numbers. Okay, then find out the solution set. So how to find out x? So this is minus, no, I will take on that side. Okay, so this 2, it is minus 2, I will take on this side. So it is 8 plus 2 less than or equal to 4x plus x. Try to make this x positive, because this is minus x, and if you take this 4x also on this side, then minus x minus 4x, it will become minus 5x. Unnecessarily negative signs will be there. So if to avoid the negative sign, try to get the value of x as a positive. Okay, so 8, this minus 2, it is plus 2 less than or equal to 4x, and this minus x, it is plus x. Therefore 10 less than or equal to 5x. It means that 5x, it is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, therefore x greater than or equal to 10 upon 5. It is nothing, only this 5x I have written on this side. Inequality, it remains same, I have not changed. So this, can you see, open mouth, it is towards 5, so it is towards 5 only. Okay, I have not changed anything. So 5x greater than or equal to 10, so x should be greater than or equal to 5. So x should be greater than or equal to 2. Okay, then what will be the solution set? X greater than or equal to 2 and x belongs to natural number. So the solution set will be 1 and 2. Okay, understood? So thus you can find out the solution set of given linear inequation. Now I will consider one more example here. Example number 3 I will consider here. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation 12 plus 1 5 upon 6 x less than or equal to 5 plus 3x and x belongs to R. Means x belongs to R, means it is nothing but a real number. This they have given in mixed form, so you have to convert into improper fraction. Okay, in this improper fraction you have to convert into proper fraction number. Okay, so this is 12 plus, how to convert, 6 into 1, 6 plus 5, it is 11. 11 upon 6 as it is. A common mistake is many time this upon 6, the kids they are writing either upon 5 or they are writing something, some different value. So don't forget, this denominator will not change, it will be as it is. 6 into 1 plus 5, it is 11 upon 6. It is mixed fraction, you have to convert into the proper fraction. So it is x less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay, it belongs to R means what? Replacement set is set of real numbers. Okay, now this 12 I will take on this side and this 3x I will take on this side. Okay, so it is 11 upon 6x minus 3x less than or equal to 5 minus 12. Okay, so it is 11x minus, I'll take 6 as a LCM, so it is 18x. 18, why? Because 6 is LCM, no? So if I'll multiply and divide by 6, so 6 into 3, 18x upon here is 6 less than or equal to 5 minus 12, it is minus 7. Okay, this 6 it is divided, so if I'll send here on this side it will get multiplied. So therefore 11x minus 18x, so how much it is? 11x minus 18x, it is 7x. So minus 7x less than or equal to minus 7 into 6. Okay, yes. Now divide both the sides by, divide by minus 7. Now you are dividing by a negative number, so this middle sign will get changed. So therefore x greater than or equal to this 7, it will get cancelled, so it is x greater than or equal to, here it is 6. Okay, understood? This sign less than or equal to sign, it will change to greater than or equal to, because we are dividing it by minus 7, means a negative number. So rule states that when you divide or multiply the inequality, equation of inequality by a negative number, then the middle sign will get changed. So it is x greater than 6. Okay, and x belongs to R. How to represent the solution set? Solution set for the real numbers, it should be in the set builder form. Means what? These values of x are such that x belongs to real number and x greater than or equal to 6. So this is nothing but a solution set for this given example. So I hope all of you understood this example. One more example now we'll consider here. So next example, so this is example number 4. So x belongs to I, that is integer. Find solution set of minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Okay, now x belongs to I, means integers. So here x belongs to R, that is real number was there, now it is integer, and we have to find the solution set of this. Now how to find the solution set of this? Because this is nothing but what? Linear equation. But in this, how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. So how to find out the solution? So while finding the solution, we'll consider first this equation, and in second case we'll consider this equation. Means what? First we'll consider minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3, and we'll consider 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2. Minus 5 less than or equal to 2x plus 3, and we'll consider 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2, and simultaneously we'll solve on both the sides. Okay, yes. So it is nothing but what? 2x here, I will keep here only. This minus 3 I will take on this side. Minus 5 less than or equal to, okay. So minus 5 plus 3 less than or equal to 2x. Okay. So therefore minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 less than or equal to 2x. Yes. And now simultaneously we will solve this also. It is 2x minus x. This x I will take on this side. 2x minus x less than 2, this minus 3 on this side, it is plus 3. So it is x less than 5. And here what is this solution? So this 2 if I will send on this side, so what will happen? Minus 2 upon 2. So it will be minus 1 less than or equal to x. Okay, that is x greater than or equal to minus 1. So the first solution is x greater than, means first condition is x should be greater than or equal to minus 1, and the second condition is x should be less than 5. If I will mix these two conditions, then what it will be? So x first condition less than 5 and it should be greater than or equal to minus 1. Okay, so x it should be less than 5 and greater than or equal to minus 1. So combinedly we are considering this condition. Okay, so this is nothing but now we got the solution of value of x, that it should be greater than or equal to minus 1 and it should be less than minus 5. But we know that this x belongs to I, it is set of integers. Then what will be the solution set? Then the solution set, it will consist of the values greater than or equal to minus 1. Means what? Minus 1, then after minus 1 it is 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because x should be less than 5. So these are all values of x that can satisfy this given linear inequation. Okay, so the solution set of this inequation, it is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, understood? So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.